You feel me? It's not a game. You think it is and it's not.
It's my baby birthday! Happy birthday!
We're gonna throw some butterfly locks up in here.
Flat out.
I'm kidding.
It's only 7 and now count.
As some of you may or may not know.
Don't have a hairline.
Do you see why it's not a game, son?
Y'all high.
You gotta bake them ignorant edges sometime.
You thought it was what it was?
But you don't wanna do it. You don't wanna. 38 to 39, nigga, girl is finna fine. Hey, hey, hey. Happy birthday! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey y'all. Okay, so as some of you may or may not know, today is your girl's birthday.
Happy birthday!
So, I'm about to get ready for the day, but I wanted to jump on and let you guys know what I'm going to be doing to this head off up under here. Whew, I got an old braid pattern that I'm working with, y'all. We're going to throw some butterfly locks up in here. My favorite butterfly locks. Y'all already know what they are. I think y'all know that. I'm talking about Toyotress butterfly locks. Y'all know I love them. I had to slam and fillet for my birthday.
Flat out.
So I just wanted to introduce you to my braid pattern and the hair. First and foremost, again, I'm using Toyotress butterfly locks. Okay, I am actually mixing, y'all already know what time it is. I'm mixing T30 and T27. Yeah, that should be cute. It's been a while since I did, you know, my little color combo, so I said I'm about to combo it up. You feel me? I'm doing 12 inches. Y'all know how the packs come. When you buy one pack, there are 8 bundles. See that? See that? Hold on. It's 8 bundles off up in here. Well, I just took one out. Hold on. But y'all be like,
It's only 7 and now count.
nah, it's 8 bundles off up in here. You see? Hey, there's 8 of us in here. So this is T27. There are 10 butterfly locks per bundle, 8 bundles per pack. So in one pack you will have 80 butterfly locks. This is what one lock looks like. This is the loop. It's very easy to work with, you guys. Really flexible. You can get your finger and your thumb in there so that you can easily take the end of the butterfly lock, pull it through that loop without messing up the beautiful distress pattern. You see that? Do you see why it's not a game, son?
Y'all high.
You feel me? It's not a game. You think it is and it's not. Y'all gonna have to pray for my family when I turn 40, honey, because the way I'm set up right now at 39 and feeling fine, Chad. These are the T30s. These are like chocolatey brown at the end. I love these. They're so pretty. I think I want more T30 and I want to use T27 as, you know, highlights. This is what they look like together, you guys. Just fused together. Very pretty color combo. So y'all, I've used this braid pattern a few times, so it's a little rough. Let me just give y'all the view of it. It's on the rough side of the mountain, okay? Both sides are symmetric. I only have 2 illusion individual boxes on each one of the cornrows. So 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So on and so forth. Everything else is just cornrows all the way back. I just want y'all to kick it with me. I want y'all to just groove with me, you know. Let's do this.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Give her everything, just shot of the world. Gonna get a grip every time. I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her.
I'm about to do my face. I'm about to do my face. You gotta bake them ignorant edges sometimes on 350. Y'all know we bake everything on 350. Ready, like ready. Who wanna glow? Where you wanna glow, sis? Where we glowing, sis? Where we finna glow, sis? You finna run to the glow, sis? Huh? I don't know why I'm doing this, y'all, because I'm sure finna cover this up. I'm not finna be out here doing this, then covering it up. Okay, y'all, I'm finna do my face. I'm gonna figure it out. Is this my color? I think that's cool. I got like 3 different colors on my face, so I'm sure that's probably one of them. We're gonna gonna get together. Don't you worry. And don't you fret. Cause see, God is not through with me yet.
You thought it was when it was?
Oh, y'all thought it was through? He ain't through. This is Juvia's place, Cameroon and Staccato. I think this is a good blend for me, y'all. If it ain't, it's finna be today. Believe that. We're gonna get to this hair, okay? I know y'all didn't come for this. We'll get to that another time. I'm gonna get to this hair.
It's feel like wine with a Sunday brunch. Can I shine? Feel like everything might turn out just alright. I know I'm lying to myself. Pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets. Afraid of blinking. Can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy. Like every minute is a gift. It's a pleasure. Let's get together. Let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood. I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class at a lecture. Busy trying to get it together. Something clever. My notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense. Good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me. Truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat. Shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze. Near the ocean tide. From the cove to the globe wide. With an open eye and a smile. Feel like everything might turn out to be fine.
Y'all, let me tell you, it was a struggle today. My allergies been on 10, so this eye was acting crazy. I was like, why would you do that today? And then my daughter came in here. She was like, this is your birthday video. This is your thing. You don't have to look no type of way. You do what you want to do, even if your makeup is messed up. Because I sure was expecting, Mama, it don't even look bad. You are just as precious as you want to be. No, but we pulled it together. We pulled it together.
You're so cute. My sugar love.
Happy birthday, Mother. You don't have a hairline.
Happy birthday! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. It's my whole birthday week. The whole 7 days. You do deserve it. You've been working for months, years. Get it. Get it. Get it. She said no. You don't feel like being bothered, Ken. I'm fine. Get it, girl. Get it, mama. And I'm going nowhere. You just gonna decide to step right as I'm talking. Y'all ain't ready. I can step too. Y'all ain't ready. You don't want to step battle, honey. You don't want to battle your mom. You don't want to do that, sis. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do it. You don't want to do it. You don't want to do it. You don't want to. Oh, the kids still got it. Turn it up.
Happy birthday to my beautiful wife, to everybody out there that continues to support her, continue to support her brand, all of them. Mary Kay Bella, BB Eats, all of them. You put in the time and you put in the grind.
Oh, yeah.
To be able to drink red wine. She don't know I got something. I'm working on some things. Oh, yeah!
It's my baby birthday.
39 and 200K. That's huge, man. It's your birthday.
No, but
39 and switch. Like, stop playing.
But they
that.
oh,
See that? You see what it is? On her birthday.
There you go. It looks like you're
Let me zoom in on just. Oh! Didn't mean to do that. How do you feel on your birthday?
38 to 39, nigga, girl is finna fine. Hey, 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 hey.
Feels pretty feet.
I'm feeling fun like wine.
Yeah. That's her favorite artist of all time.
I love you.
Love you too, baby.